When you first receive your UG5000AWSK machine, the setup process begins by checking the packaging for any transport damage. Remove all tape and unnecessary packaging from the machine. The next step is to open the two doors and check inside. The door handles will need to be reversed so they're installed on the outside. There are 4 pails inside, 2 for solvents and 2 for water. For the solvent side, open the cap and replace the suction pump with your cleaning solvent. Use clean water for the wash side. AquaClean is a state-of-the-art cleaning additive with an enhanced corrosion inhibitor for optimal protection of your expensive spray guns. Inside the box, you'll find essential accessories. Make sure the suction pipe is placed securely in the wash water compartment and the labels match. Next, check the drain hoses. Make sure they are inserted correctly and the hoses are positioned to avoid leaks. Start by attaching plumbing tape to the threads of your fittings to prevent air leaks. Next, remove the red cap from the air inlet and screw the moisture filter fitting into place. Hand tighten it, or use a wrench if preferred. Once all the hoses are in place, connect the air inlet and verify that the air flows correctly. Attach your air line to the air inlet and tighten the connections. Now, connect the ground wire to a metal surface to complete the setup. Open the drain valve to allow liquids to flow properly, and ensure the ball valve is open before starting. You're now ready to begin cleaning. Place the spray gun and pots inside, ensuring that any parts, like a gun or cups, are properly positioned. To set the timer, turn the timer as desired to activate for auto cleaning. Wait for the machine to clean your tools and parts, and always remember to keep the air passages clear. Once cleaning is done, remove the parts, dispose of waste properly, and refill the compartments with fresh solvent and water. Always clean the exterior of your machine after use to maintain performance.